Hello, welcome to my channel, and now I will show you how to set up fingerprint so you will be able to unlock your screen with fingerprint. How to do it? It's so simply. First go to settings. Now enter in security and location. Now tap on fingerprint. On this screen go to next, and fingerprint cannot be set up alone, so choose what you want: fingerprint plus pattern, fingerprint plus pin, or fingerprint plus password. I like to choose fingerprint plus pin. So set up some number for pin, click next and enter your pin. Okay, now you have to choose when your device is locked, how do you want notification to show. Show all notification contact, hide sensitive notification content, or do not show notification at all. I will choose do not show notification at all. When you finish with it, from the back side of your phone near camera there is one circle, and that circle is sensor for your fingerprint. So touch this sensor with your finger with who you will unlock the screen, and touch it with different angles. So let's do it. Every time you have to lift the finger and touch it with different angle. So don't touch it only with the one side of finger. Okay, fingerprint is added. If you want to set up more fingers, then click up on fingerprint, and as you see, you can add another finger from, for example, I will add from my left hand now. The procedure is the same. Touch the sensor with finger from every angle. And that's it. You're done. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If it was useful for you, please like it, share it, and of course leave me the comment in comment section below. It means a lot to me. See you.